Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone. Today we have got another special occasion to discover and to share with all our viewers.
Yes, and that is Easter. So, Karan, can you just tell a little about what Easter is?
Well, I don't know much about it, having lived my entire life in India and believably being in eastern part of the world, celebrating a Western occasion is not so rare, so common. So we just thought of sharing the feel of this day that we observe as Easter.
Yes.
In countries like US and other countries that are mostly purely Christian, majorly Christian rather, we are talking about an occasion, Easter, that falls on the very first Sunday
Yes.
following the full moon after the spring equinox that comes on 21st of March. So that occasion, that rare occasion has happened, that happens every year, that has happened today on 4th of April 2021.
Yes.
So, for all those who are curious to know why do we celebrate Easter, there's a short story behind it. Although we remember this, commemorate this day with the resurrection of the Christian God,
Jesus
Jesus Christ,
Christ.
when he was hung and crucified by the Romans, and he had to spend 3 days. Rather, his believers and acolytes also had to spend 3 days without him. After that, the very apogee and culmination of those 3 days saw Easter when he got resurrected and he first showed himself up to his believers.
Yes, and he came back to life.
He came back to life and he broke the first bread with his followers also, and so on and so forth. Everything is else is exegesis in the Bible and everything. We don't know much about it, so we better not foray into any uncharted territory. There is another theory of Easter that you can see we have tried to symbolize here behind us.
Yes, and you can see some painted eggs and a bunny over there. So, we are going to just share why we have kept these on this day of Easter. So, Easter basically the word comes from Eoster, that is a goddess of fertility and growth. So, since we are entering into spring, so this season is marked by regeneration and fertility and growth. So, why are we painting eggs? Because, as you know, that eggs are a symbol of coming of new life, and also we have a cute little bunny behind us. That is so because bunnies they start breeding during this season, and they always represent generation and productivity. So it is believed that bunnies hide their eggs and they present the eggs in basket, that's called Easter basket, and then they distribute it among the children. So this is an important festival in the West, especially for children, as they get to eat chocolate eggs and they paint eggs, and it's all about being happy.
Chocolate eggs.
Yes.
Are you kidding? Do hens also give chocolate eggs? I would like to go in that wonder world.
Yes.
But as she has spoken about children and bunnies, I couldn't help but think what fertility would be symbolized in this, that we are showing bunnies with painted eggs and delivering that to children. What I could understand, and I could be wrong also, but how I could translate it is that children are the result of fertility. The more the children, the better. And eggs are the shells in which small chickens, and we
Yes.
see life transmogrifying from the very inception of creation to its realization. So when they're delivered from the very being that we have identified, the bunnies, as very vigorous procreators,
Yes, they
that is,
produce a lot of offsprings.
okay, she's a biologist,
Yes.
she knows better. So when we have mixed and blended the three knowledges, this is how we have created and tried to symbolize that in our culture also. So this is how I could see. Maybe there could be another translation. If you know, please don't forget to mention and suggest that to us as well. And we are going to add that in our video if we are going to make more with the suggestions. And today is Easter. We say we would like to celebrate this with you all, with all our viewers, and we would wish all of us also to keep the spirit of secularity alive, getting to know about such festivals, such celebrations which may not be too commonly seen in our society. We would always wish to bring them up in our videos as well. So keep supporting the channel and keep supporting the very spirit of secularity and keep adding your bit to it as well.
Happy Easter.
A very happy Easter to you all.